For many years, Jamaica successfully exported tons of bananas to the European market under a special agreement which allowed Jamaican producers to sell at preferential prices. However, in 2008, the European Union changed the terms under which Caribbean-produced bananas entered the EU market. This, in large measure, led to a significant decline in the sector, particularly in St. Thomas, one of the 3 poorest parishes in Jamaica. To help mitigate the effects of the declining industry in areas like St. Thomas, the European Union Banana Support Program was developed to promote sustainable development. One initiative under the program that has provided this kind of support is the European Union Christian Aid Strengthening Capacities for Sustainable Livelihoods project, being implemented by the Women's Resource and Outreach Center, ROC. ROC has worked with 300 ex-banana farmers in the Johnson Mountain, Springbank, Trinityville, Mount Vernon and Somerset communities in St. Thomas.
And it was determined that they needed assistance to develop livelihoods which would be sustainable.
This included cash crop, poultry and livestock production, activities that could regenerate themselves over time. Beneficiaries therefore received chickens, goats, pigs, seeds and farming inputs to begin or upgrade their small farms. Still, farmers in the various communities face many challenges that can serve to make or break their chances in the field. Disaster management, predial larceny, marketing, and access to land and credit are some of the main areas of concern. However, in addition to these issues, women farmers are affected by other realities. Some of them under the European Union Christian Aid Strengthening Capacities project now share their successes and challenges.
I have always loved the land. I always loved to plant. You see, and I always say when, given the opportunity and health-wise, if I can manage, I would farm.
Once you like the thing, you will do the thing. So, with the pigs now, me like pig. So, that's not a problem, only sometimes for wash your pen.
In daylight, first thing I get up and do, wash my teeth, wash my face, and turn to the cub.
Women have been digging into the field of agriculture for quite a long time and make a tremendous contribution to food and agricultural production. They also play a crucial role in determining and guaranteeing food security and the well-being of the entire household. And, as with many other occupations, rural women have been managing to surmount the odds by doing the best they can and building their independence.
Normally, while working, I find that maybe, what I would make in a month, then I can make it in a week in farming.
I never have any current for myself, and I could sort out myself and string my house, paying my bills also.
All of these women have been reaping the fruit of their labor under the European Union Christian Aid Sustainable Livelihoods project, implemented by ROC. Some in cash crop farming, and others through livestock and poultry. As former employees in the declining banana industry, the women farmers maintain that running their own agricultural business is more gratifying.
It's better than go to Eastern, because at morning time I used to get up 3:30, and by time 15 minutes to 5. I have to reach on by buses all to catch a bus. And some of the time when 10 o'clock at night time, I don't reach here yet.
Yes, the banana was tough, hard work, because you had to put the thing on your head, and that was hard.
Running their own cash crop and livestock farms certainly represents a breakthrough, but it doesn't mean that they don't face tremendous obstacles. Indeed, farming is usually tough work for men, but women in cash crop agriculture face unique issues, particularly in land preparation.
The reality is that there's some physical work that women are not necessarily able to do, and so we're providing them with a little bit of funding to help with that.
Preparing the land, though, is only part of the challenge that women in agriculture face. Many women do not own their farmland, making access to credit a significant challenge. But even outside of those issues, They all seem to struggle with juggling domestic responsibilities, childcare and work, especially in female-headed households in rural areas. In spite of the odds though, women farmers in this ROC-implemented European Union Christian Aid project have been ploughing ahead. Their hope is fertilized by their unique knowledge of how hard labor can give birth to new possibilities.
You have to be determined, and I find that being my own boss is excellent.